Those are your basic Whelen mechanical or mechanical simulated tones. Excluding the Executor, the first tones were the Q designation and then the M designation. I believe the Q designation went away and the tone changed because Federal Signal objected to the use of the term, if you will, Q, and the specific pitch of the tone itself. So that was the reason for the change from Q to M. That's the original M. So we'll go through and look at and listen to some examples of those, and also, of course, the Executor, because everyone wants to see and hear that. So here's the original Q tone in a 295 series package. It came in a couple packages, but here it is in the 295. Now we'll take a look at and listen to the M style tone in a 295 package as well. This would be the M that replaced the Q directly after the Q was discontinued for reasons mentioned. This is also a 295 package. It should be noted that there was an alpha package for the M tone as well. I actually don't have an example of one of those. And this will be a later, more modern device running the modern M tone. This would be the original Q tone in the alpha package. I'm going to show two of those. One of them is going to be an original, and then one of them is going to be one I refurbished. I'm going to highlight the fact that I added the letter Q to it since it was a refurbish with another siren body. This would be the alpha Q that I refurbished. I put the Q tone chip into a different alpha series siren, which is why you see the unusual looking label there. This should sound exactly like the other alpha 12Q. I'm really just doing a proof of concept here since I put a 12Q chip into a different alpha 12 siren, but it's the same tone essentially as the factory version. And this will be a comparison of the 295M, or the M that replaced the Q, and the modern mechanical Whelen tone that goes on their multi-tone sirens. This will be a comparison of those two tones. This will be a comparison of an original Alpha 12Q to the mechanical tone in a current Alpha series siren, which happens to be the Euro version, but that doesn't matter. The mechanical tone is the same in all current Alpha versions. So this is a modern Alpha versus original. course, everyone wants to see and hear the Whelen Executor. In this case, it's the model that comes with the purpose-specific siren speaker. There were other versions where they were actually 200 watts versus this being 100 with a special speaker, and they would power any speaker. This is the speaker-based version, and it has the Whelen control head as well. So I'll run through that quickly because we can't do a video about mechanical tones without the Executor being shown. Let's run through just the tones. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't hesitate to throw your unnecessary comments about how the EQ2B was and is better, or your favorite mechanical tones down below. This was meant just to showcase the different tones offered and how they progressed and the differences between them. Regardless, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.